even though the Freedom build was originally a non-Debrid build, it does have one page for the Debrid users. Alright, and it's all about, I love this build, it's all about, you know, those Viking, the Spartacus, the Gladiator TV shows, movies. I just love the background pictures on this build. It's got, well, I won't say it's got, I've got to be careful what I say, but yeah, I just love all the background pictures. I love everything. I like Braveheart, I like 300, Jack Snyder's 300, and I'm so glad that it's got the Spartacus movie, House of Usher, not movie, TV show that's out right now. To me, it's got the best fight scenes, the best gore, the best dialogue. I just love it, and you know, I just love it. I know people have been criticising it, but I think there's an episode on tonight to catch up on. But yeah, I just love it. It's like that just brings me. I just sort of pitch myself there, not being a gladiator, but probably being a spectator and cheering and all that stuff. But yeah, Freedom build, guys, is a top. Someone said to me, what did he say? I can't remember. Let me look it up. Let me check. Someone emailed me to tell me about. Where is it now? Where did he say? Well, I've only heard good things about the Freedom build. Alright then, guys, thanks very much. Oh, and there's also available in 3 different wizards. Alright, so you've got, if you can't do the first downloader code, use the other 2. Alright, cheers. Thank you very much.